Hello guys, I want to remove this background. I hope that you know about the Photoshop. And I need only the flower. It takes 1 minute to remove the yellow and white background. The first I want you to think about your background. This is only two color. You need to choose the subject tool to remove the background also. It means that it will choose selection, the object that you need. Wait till a minute after finished. Due to my selection is not cast the objects, I need to use quick selection to hide selection and select the objects. And next I want to adjust. The selection is small. I just go to select and click modify and click contrast. And expand the size of the contrast 1 and finish, click OK. And next you can press the key Ctrl J to make a copy layer. Next hide the first layer and the background will remove from the pictures. You can rotate the pictures, just press the key Ctrl T. I think that is perfect and faster and got the good pictures that removes the background video. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.